In the heart of a sunlit living room, transformed by youthful imagination, Dr. Lily and Nurse Sam were deep in a critical medical conference. With their Nick set up, a blanket spread over 2 chairs and a string of fairy lights, the bustling hospital was ready for the day's patients, all of whom were surprising. Fluffy, Dr. Lily, aged 8, adjusted her glasses, peeking over them just like the old doctor shown on TV. Beside her, 6-year-old Nurse Sam checked he supplies, toy stethoscope, bandages, and the all-important juice boxes for hydration. First patient, Nurse Sam announced, escorting their teddy. The center of the makeshift hospital, Dr. Lily wielded her stethoscope with the seriousness of a seasoned professional. She listened intently to Teddy's art, her face a mask of concentration. It seems Teddy has a case of too much tickle-itis, Dr. Lily declared, scribbling imaginary notes on her clipboard. Nurse Sam gasped appropriately and quickly applied a pretend injection, soothing Teddy's worries with a gentle pat on the back. The next patient was a sly, ruffled old rabbit plush. After a thorough checkup involving lots of hemming and awing, Dr. Lily concluded, just as I suspected, he's suffering from lack of cuddles syndrome. Nurse Sam, the expert in cuddle therapy, swaddled Rabbit in a soft blanket, promising a speedy recovery with extra hugs. The afternoon faded into evening. The living room clinic saw a parade of plush patients, each diagnosed with laugh-inducing ailments and treated with generous doses of pretend care and real affection. Finally, as their mother called them for dinner, Dr. Lily and Nurse Sam packed away their medical kit, their hearts full of joy. The tiny doctors had learned that no matter the complaint, a little play, a lot of imagination, and a heap of love were the best medicine.